Hello, YouTubers. Welcome to part 4 of my 3x3 tutorial. Now, if you have come this far, and you have the entire white face, and you have all the corners and edges lined up, you will have the first layer of your Rubik's Cube. So now, what you want to do is solve the middle layer. So you have to look for edge pieces that look like for me it's going to be orange, green, green, red, blue, red. And you may get cases where it's already solved, or it's solved, it's sort of solved, it's unsolved, but it's in the right place, but you need to flip it. So, like, red has to be on this side, but blue has to be on this side, so I have to flip this piece right here, the blue-red corner. And you will also get the ones on the bottom, like sure the easiest to solve. There's two ways to do it. There's this way, which is down inverted, right, inverted, down, right, down, front, down inverted, front inverted, and then it will get you a corner, or whichever edge pieces you put. So and the upper way is it can work for either way. I'm just saying down, right, left, down, left inverted, down inverted, front inverted, down inverted, front. Now, for when you have the case of the one that needs to be flipped, the edge that needs to be flipped, you simply do it twice. Doesn't matter which one. So, after you've done it once, it will be on the bottom layer, so just do it again. Doesn't matter which one. So now, if you have your middle layer, it will be completed. Okay? Stay tuned for part 4.